making famous sounds. Yeah, make sure to subscribe. If that subscription button is red, not grey, make sure it's grey. Make sure to turn on notifications so you can get notified every time we release a new video. When I say we, I mean there's way more people who are like about 4 other people. So yeah, 7 people are here. I'm one of the 7. Yeah, Fame Sounds. Make sure to like her and stand to the end to find out how you can help me on Fortnite. If you have an account on Fortnite, it depends. I don't know. Maybe. I don't know. Yeah. But yeah. Check out my other videos too. Check out our other videos, I should say. Weird sounds, yeah. But no, let's get into it. The raiders in Minecraft. Villages in Minecraft. Creepers. Skeletons. Those are the best TIE fighters. No, this is not true. That's Luke. Skywalker. The song. So yeah, and for that sort of thing. My next video, I'm gonna do the rest of the Scissors Death Run. It might be a 3-part way. I don't know, but yeah, I'll definitely get a few in my next video. A few bits in my next video. La 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 la. Hand. Hey Rodney, I'm gonna make a deal with you.
Hey?
I'm gonna make a deal with you.
What's the deal?
If this video gets 25,000